What's up everybody, Matt Moran here, and this is the 2019 Mercedes-AMG GT 63S four-door coupe, which is a mouthful, but this car is already revealed at the Geneva Motor Show, and I will link my weekly update where I go into all the details and many pictures of this vehicle, but I just wanted to show it to you guys in person here. This is the 63S version, so it is the top dog, 630 horsepower, 627 pound-feet of torque, and it does look better in person than it does in pictures. It still resembles the CLS though a lot to me, and it's also based on the CLS, so I still don't totally get, this seems kind of redundant still to me, although it is a little bit sportier. You can see there on the interior you get that center tunnel area, and you get the still very cool customizable full color buttons on the steering wheel there, and the blacked out buttons you can see there since the car is not on that are also customizable there in the center. But out back here, it is unique that you do have the hatchback functionality that you don't get in the CLS or the E-Class sedan 63 versions, so that's cool. But I think if you want the extra versatility of hatch, just go for the E63S wagon, which is way cooler in my opinion. It will also most likely be cheaper than this because this does have a little more horsepower than the top dog E63S wagon. But anyway, we'll have to see if these sell, or if it turns out to be too redundant. But anyway, that is the 2019 Mercedes-AMG GT 63S four-door coupe.